Good afternoon, Team Beast, and for those who join us for the very first time, thank you for clicking on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast, Daddy Beast, and this is a quick little garden thingy. Okay, so get this spun around here. Okay, so we have black nebula carrots, red Kyotos. These were just picked out of the garden not too long ago, and what we're going to have for vegetables for dinner tonight. But as you can see, these are super long and kind of fat and then taper down thin. That's because, you know, things weren't right in the garden bed. Tubers like phosphorus and magnesium to help them grow fat this way down here, and then like nitrogen to the tops grow big. No, that's what happened. Plenty of nitrogen, plenty of water, not enough phosphorus. So let that be a lesson to you trying to grow carrots. Now, the black nebulas, they're a dark, dark purple. The insides, there we go, are a green and purple. And they'll kind of cook out the same way too. Turns the water purple. The Kyoto Reds, they look orange when they're young, and instead of white, like a regular orange carrot will. These will turn bright red once they come to full maturity, but because of the lack of the phosphorus, there you have it. So we do have a place in the garden. This phosphorus is abundant right now, and that's our tomato box. So I'm going to grow some beets and carrots over there. I'm going to plant them soon. But that's it for the day. Just quick and fast, a couple of moments. Teach you a little something about the need for phosphorus for tubers. But you also need to add Epsom salt, which is magnesium, to help them absorb it. So, that's it. Team Beast, as always, wear the mask, stay healthy, stay safe, be good, be kind. Team Beast all the way.